Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create email sequence on Mailchimp. First of all, what you have to do is log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're signed in, you will land on this dashboard page. Now from this page, to create an email sequence, what you have to do is go to the automations tab, click on the drop down menu. You will see an overview. What you have to do is click on build from scratch. Click on it. This page will open. Now it is asking you create a map of your contacts journey. You can name it anything. For example, I will name it as sample and click on start building. Again, a new page will open from where you have to choose a starting point. I will click on choose a starting point. Now you can select any popular points. For example, any contact activity, date and special events, shopping activity, marketing activity, API and integrations. So you can select any. This time I will select sign up for email. I will click on it. Now I will check this box called include imported contacts. Check this box and click on save starting point. Now once you have done that, you have to add a journey point. Click on add a journey point. I will click on actions and there are some rules you can select. So I will simply select send email. Click on it. Now as you can see, to and from their email address from Lucas. So this is my name. Now I will send email from this account and the subject will be set subject and preview text. So I can select any subject, for example, check out our new product. Now after you have done on this section, you have to go to the design your email by starting with a template. Click on select a template. Now again, a new page will open. On this page, you can select so many multiple templates. Now I will apply this template. Once I've applied, now I can add some things on this template. For example, on this page, I can add a product or the product image. Once my image has been uploaded, what I will do, I can either customize the text, I can change the text, the color background, each and everything. So once I'm done, what I will do, I will click on save and return to journey. Now I'm back on my journey page. From here, what you have to do is click on send test emails to test if your sequence is working or not. Once your test has been successful, you have to select continue. Now they're asking, could you tell us your goal for this journey? Whether your goal is to sell stuff, drive audience action, share information, manage my audience, or anything else. My goal is to sell stuff, so I will click on it. I will click on turn on. And as you can see, hooray, your contacts are on their way. You can always click on this drop down menu and pause your activity or your sequence anytime you want. So that's how you can create an email sequence on Mailchimp. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.